Bright Factz presents 7 types of people you should never trust. Any connection, whether between friends, spouses, or coworkers, is built on trust. If the basis is shaky, the relationship will inevitably crumble. It also takes a lot of time and effort to rebuild damaged trust, and you may not be able to save the relationship in some cases. Some people are adept at flying beneath the radar, and we don't see the damage until it's too late and the situation has blown up beyond repair. When this happens, we are irritated with the other person, but we are even more irritated with ourselves for failing to notice the warning sign sooner. You can avoid traveling down this road again if you keep an eye out for the following categories of persons and keep a safe distance from them. Fickle-minded individuals, people whose moods fluctuate as frequently as the weather, do not make solid, dependable companions or lovers. If their emotional state swings too much, they may make you promises just to break them the next day. They are unsure of their decisions and are readily swayed by opinions and rumor. That's not to suggest people can't change their minds, but this type of person has a persistent record of breaking their promises, making it difficult to trust them or create a stable connection with them. Number 2. Overly nice people. Some people are captivating and appealing by nature. Then there are individuals that appear to be overly kind, but, in truth, they aren't. Most of the time, they just want something from you. These people rarely reveal personal information about themselves and spend the majority of their time asking far too many personal inquiries. Obviously, some individuals are inherently curious, but you will be able to tell the difference between someone who is trying to learn about you and someone who is just looking for information. It's also a good idea to be wary of someone who is normally mean but is suddenly pleasant to you. And if they are dismissive and disrespectful to others while being extremely friendly to you, that should surely raise some red lights. People who lack empathy are ranked 3rd. Empathy is the ability to fully comprehend and be empathetic toward others. This makes you an excellent listener and someone who always knows what to say. Those who lack empathy, on the other hand, will avoid any situation in which they appear to have to step up to emotionally assist someone. Instead, they act in destructive and cruel ways, causing inconvenience and disruption in their wake. Worse, because they only see things from their own self-serving perspective, these people are unlikely to notice the harm they are causing. You can't trust people who don't comprehend the implications of their acts. Therefore, avoid them at all costs. People who are very competitive. Competition might be beneficial. You can learn from it and push yourself to be better as a result. However, this does not have to apply to every aspect of your life. Some people turn everything into a competition. If you got a raise, they got a hefty raise as well. They are getting married right after you got engaged. If you ran 1 mile today, they most likely ran 2. You get what I mean. They are continuously trying to outdo you, which arises from jealousy or insecurity. Alternatively, both. These people will always try to minimize your accomplishments and will frequently instill feelings of anxiety, incompetence, or distress in you. You begin to doubt yourself or believe that you simply do not measure up. People who want to have complete control. A red flag is someone who is continuously striving to control every circumstance. People like this frequently seek to take control by playing a power game to obtain an advantage. They may speak with you in order to learn about your weaknesses and emotional triggers in order to use them against you. Their focus is on your weaknesses and terrible experiences, not in your life. Because controlling people don't value relationships. Life is a game to them, and they believe that if they aren't strategizing every minute, they are losing. Such folks are far too self-centered to be trusted. People who always play the victim. No. 6. Some people just seem to have bad luck all the time, but half of them will persevere, while the other half will sit and moan about the cards they were dealt. And it's simple to sympathize with these people, but keep an eye out for the perpetual victims. These people believe that the entire world is conspiring against them, and they never find fault with themselves. They don't even admit to making mistakes. They simply refuse to accept any responsibility. All they do is point the finger at others and make them feel bad. Number 7. People that reveal other people's secrets to you. If you know someone who often discloses you other people's secrets, chances are they are also telling others yours. And if they beg you not to say anything, you can bet they are requesting the same of others as well. These individuals have no idea of loyalty and have no concern for secrecy. They don't mind spilling a secret or spreading a juicy tidbit even if it means causing friction between people who are already on good terms. While we all exhibit some of these behaviors from time to time, if you catch someone who is a repeat offender, you should seriously consider their trustworthiness. Have you ever put your trust in someone you shouldn't have? Or were you duped by someone close to you? Please share your ideas and experiences in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.